Good morning all of you. Today also we can discuss some properties, another properties of square numbers. Now you look this table. 1, when we write it, we can write it as 1 square itself because it is 1 square of 1 also 1 itself. Then 1 plus 3. Next when we add a next odd number with 1, 1 plus 3. That is continuous odd numbers we are adding starting from 1. 1 plus 3. We'll get sum we will get 4 and 4 is a square of 2. Next, when we add that first 3 odd numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5, we will get 9, that is 3 square. So, 1 plus next one more. So, first 4 odd numbers. When we add the first 4 odd numbers, we will get 16 and 16 is the square of 4 square. It is square of 4. When we continue this, now here you look here how many odd numbers we added? 2 odd numbers. So its answer will be 2 square. Here we add this successive, that is continuous 3 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5. That is the square of 3. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. That is 4 odd numbers. Continuous odd numbers when we add, we got 4 square. And when we continue this, next will be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. How many we added here? How many odd numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is continuous odd numbers starting from 1. That is must. So here what will be without adding we can find out its answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd numbers. So it will be 5 square. Okay. So this type any number starting from 1. Any number of odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus up to any number. Suppose next we write up to n. Then what will be this answer? Here adding successive odd numbers starting from 1 up to n. Then its answer will be what? N square. Okay, n square, because how many odd numbers we are adding? It will be that numbers square, 5 square. Here we added 4 odd numbers, so it will be 4 square. Just like if we add 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to n, then it will be the square of n, that is n square. Okay, this is one property of square numbers. So we can find out for all question like this, express any number, express without adding, find the sum of the following. Without adding, find the sum of the following. And the question is given like this: 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Okay. Now we here not need of adding this. Without adding, we can find out this answer like this. How many odd numbers we took? And one more condition is there. It should be started from 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 odd numbers we started. So its answer will be 7 square. That means 49. So it is one property of odd numbers. Now another property that we can discuss. Another property of square number is when a square number square of odd numbers can be expressed. Square of any odd numbers we can express as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. You look one example, square of any odd numbers. Now here 3 is one odd number, and when we take it square, we will get 9. And this 9 we can express as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. How we can express 9 as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers? We can add it as 4 plus 5. 4 and 5 are consecutive numbers, and when we add these two, we will get 9. So any odd number square we can write in this form as a sum of two consecutive natural numbers. Now take this another example, 5. 5 square. We know it's sum 5 square. We know that is 25. 25 how we can express as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers? Yeah, 12 plus 13 will get 25. 12 plus 13, 25. So if you take any odd numbers square, all that squares we can express in this form of successive, sum of that successive two natural numbers. Now another case, 7 square that we know is 49. That we can represent as 24 plus 25. Now this we can use without, if it is a small numbers, it will be easy for finding that. So if it is given a higher number, 12 square, like that, 12 square we know 144. Then 144, how we can express as the sum of two natural numbers. So that we want to think more. We want to find out a general solution for that. So through this example, can we find out any method for finding that two successive numbers? How we got that two numbers? That will be easy. Now you look in this case. Here when we take this case 24 and 25, how we will get? It will be this first number we can get by using, if it is nth term, otherwise in the same case we can take. Is it 24? 24 in this case we will get, what is the number here? 7. So it's a square take. Then we can write here 7 square minus 1 by 2 will be the first number. We are adding two numbers. Okay, so here we get the first number 24. How we get it? From the given number 7 square, subtract 1, then divided by 2. That will be 24. And second number we will get 7 square plus 1 by 2. Now you look, 7 square we know 49. 49 minus 1, 48. So 48 by 2, here 50 by 2. 48 by 2 we know that is 24, and 50 by 2 it will be 25. Just like in this case, you look here 5 square is the number, 5 is the square. So for getting the first number 12, we can use 5 square minus 1 by 2. For the second number will be 5 square plus 1 by 2. 5 square 25. 25 minus 1, 24. 24 by 2 we will get 12. Just like 25 plus 1, 26. 26 by 2, 30. So using this method, that is the given numbers square, then first we subtract 1 from that and dividing by 2. Okay, so in this case how we can take it? For generally we can take, if it is finding n square, if we are representing n square as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers, the first number we will get n square minus 1 by 2, and second number we will get n square plus 1 by 2. So in this case 12 square, how we can write? The first number we will get 12 square minus 1 by 2, and second number 12 square plus 1 by 2. Here 144. 12 square we know 144. 144 minus 1. Okay, 144 minus 1. Here one mistake we happened. Here we took an even numbers. It will never possible. Always we want to take a odd number squares. Okay, this one mistake. We want to take an example with the odd numbers. So we can take 13 square. 13 square we know. What is 13 square? 169. Now 169 how we can express? As the sum of two consecutive numbers. For that first number we can take 13 square minus 1 by 2. For the second number we can take it as 13 square plus 1 by 2. That is 169. 169 minus 1. 168 by 2. First number will get this. For this 169 plus 1. 170 by 2. Okay. So that number will be 16. 84 plus 85. If it is first number 84, the next number will be 85. Now you look the sum. 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 8, 16. So 13 square we can express as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. For getting that two numbers, we can use this general formula. For n square, we want to take n square, first number we will get n square minus 1 by 2, and another second number we will get n square plus 1 by 2. Using this, we can find out that two successive odd numbers. Okay, next we can discuss for the next class, next properties. Okay, thank you.